Here's I will show you how to make music sound distant. First of all, I'll play my current music. So this is my current music looks like. Now let's go to effect and insert effect type here, low pass, and add this low pass effect to your sound or music. Then select your music clip and go to effect controls, and under low pass effect here, cutoff, I'm giving here 300. And now I'm just playing my music again. And here, as you can see, a distant music distant added. And now if you want to change this music distant sound, you can just increase or decrease this cutoff value. Let's add here 450. And now let's play our music. And that's it.